Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to download file from your Google Drive account to your computer. So to start, you open Chrome browser. In our address bar you type drive.google.com/drive. You open your Google web portal, log in with your Gmail account and password. This is my Google Drive portal. So to upload or download file from the portal to my computer, I click on the file that I want to download from the portal onto my onto my PC. So to download, click on the file, and in the three dots I click on load. Download the file from my Google Drive to my computer. Now the file has been downloaded, so you can open it. Can that downloaded from right to your account, or click on this PC, then go to downloaded document. Find the file that you downloaded your drive to your computer. There's the file. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe. See an update. See you.